Hello, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss an important notice for class 9. As we know that we have completed till chapter 10, that is chapter number 1, that is number system. The second one is polynomial, third is factorization of polynomial, fourth is linear equation in two variable, fifth that is coordinate geometry, है ना. चैप्टर नंबर 6 वी हैवंट डन, है ना, इंट्रोडक्शन टू यूक्लिड ज्योमेट्री. 7 that is line and angles, we have completed triangle, we have completed congruence of triangles and inequalities in a triangle, है ना. The chapter 10 that is quadrilateral. Till 1 to 10, है ना, this is the portion for your half yearly examination. After that we have chapter number 11 that is area of parallelogram and triangles, that is chapter 12 circles, है ना. 13 is geometrical construction, 14 area of triangle and quadrilateral, 15 is volume and surface area of solid figure. Now we have another unit that is statistics and probability and the book is it. तो कहने का मतलब कि 1 to 10 chapters will come in your half yearly examination if it conduct, है ना. अगर हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम होती है तो ये आपका पोर्शन रहेगी 1 to 10. So today's video is going to give the revision of the number system, है ना. We have come to know about the number system. Number system, as we have read the number system, है ना. तो नंबर सिस्टम में हम लोग क्या देखें कि इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ नंबर. अगर बोला जाए तो इट इज़ अ सेट ऑफ एट फ्यू पैटर्न बोल सकते हैं ना, कि सेट ऑफ नंबर्स होते हैं उसको नंबर्स कहते हैं, कुछ पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं. तो जूनियर क्लासेस से हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग, है ना. हम लोग बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि ऑल काउंटिंग नंबर्स, है ना. क्या पढ़े? काउंटिंग नंबर्स. तो काउंटिंग नंबर्स हमारा क्या क्या है? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन, है ना. दिस काउंटिंग नंबर्स इज फर्दर सजेस्ट दैट इट इज़ अ नेचुरल नंबर, है ना. तो हम लोग एक नंबर लाइन देखते हैं, इसमें हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन, ठीक, टिल इन्फिनिटी. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज नेचुरल नंबर एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय कैपिटल N. ओके. Including this, we have another statement that is another number that is 0. If we add a 0 in it, that becomes whole number, है ना, and that is represented by capital W. Okay, it will also go till infinity. Now for example, we have a bucket, in this bucket we have 3 oranges, 1 apple. Okay, so we take out 3 oranges, 1 2 3 oranges and 1 apple, okay, we have taken out the 3 oranges from the bucket and 1 apple from the bucket. There is a total number of fruits, that is 4. There is total number of fruit is 4. If we add 3 oranges and 1 apple, there is a total number of fruit is 4, and 4 is represented as natural number. If we have taken out from this all the fruits, that is 3 oranges and 1 apple, it is left with nothing, है ना? The bucket is empty. For the empty bucket, we are going to represent a whole number, that is 0, है ना? तो बकेट में कुछ नहीं है, इसका मतलब कि 0. तो 0 क्या हुआ? होल नंबर हुआ. मतलब 0 से लेके इन्फिनिटी तक, पॉजिटिव इन्फिनिटी तक, वो सारा नंबर क्या किस कैटेगरी में रखा गया? होल नंबर के कैटेगरी में रखा गया. दिस सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर इज टेकन एज नेगेटिव टू द LHS, that is left hand side. All the negative number taken to the LHS, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 till -infinity, and this is positive infinity. So including -infinity to infinity, that becomes an integer, that becomes integers, okay, and that is represented by capital I, okay. Now as we see, from 0 to 1 within two integers, if we zoom it 0 to 1, we got infinity number between this, okay. For example, this is our 1 unit, this is our 1 unit, that is 0 to 1, that is 1 unit, 1 to 2 1 unit, 2 to 3 1 unit, 3 to 4 1 unit, and between these two integers we have infinity set of numbers, है ना? Infinity set of numbers, and that number is what? See, for example, if we take a pizza or if we take a biscuit which is in circular form, this is our 1 unit, this is our 1 unit, है ना? Now we divide this into 2 parts, है ना? We got the first part, we got the second part, है ना? So this can be written as the number between 0 and 1 is 1/2. Again, if we divide this, we got a quadrant, है ना? That is between 0 and half is 1/4. Again, this is divided as 1/8, 1/16. Further if we divide, है ना? तो इस तरह डिवाइड करते चले जाएंगे तो हमको इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ सेट मिलेगा, एंड दैट सेट and that number is known as rational number, that number is known as rational number, है ना? तो from here rational number can be divided as, it is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0, Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q, where P and Q is not having a common factor, है ना, कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है। तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3/4 इज अ रैशनल नंबर, 2/1 is a rational number. Yes, it is also a rational number because there is a condition that is q is not equal to 0. ये कंडीशन तो नहीं है कि q 1 के इक्वल नहीं होगा, ठीक है। तो हम लिख सकते हैं 2/1, 3/1, 0/1, this all are the rational number. For example, then you can write all integers are a rational number. All integers are a rational number. Yes. Now we will see this number, the relation between natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, है ना। See what is the relation if we draw a Venn diagram, that is Venn diagram, Venn diagram, है ना। Venn diagram ड्रॉ करते हैं तो सबसे पहला हमारा जो होता है वो नेचुरल नंबर होता है। ये हमारा क्या हो गया, नेचुरल नंबर। ऑल नेचुरल नंबर इज अ होल नंबर, दैट्स वाई होल नंबर इज कवरिंग ऑल नेचुरल नंबर, ठीक है। बट वी कैन नॉट से दैट all whole number is a natural number. We can say that all natural number is a whole number, as we know that all whole number is an integer, है ना। Again, all integers are a rational number. Okay. We can see that all natural number is a whole number, all whole number is an integer, all rational number is, sorry, all integers are rational number. We cannot converse this relation, है ना। मतलब ये नहीं कर सकते हैं कि सारा रैशनल नंबर इंटीजर होगा, सारा इंटीजर होल नंबर होगा, सारा होल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर होगा, ठीक है। ये इन्वर्स प्रोसेस नहीं जाएगा, ठीक है। तो एक स्ट्रेट वे में रिलेशन बन रहा है, दैट इज कि ऑल नेचुरल नंबर इज अ होल नंबर, है ना। ऑल होल नंबर आर इंटीजर्स, ऑल इंटीजर्स आर रैशनल नंबर। एज फर्दर द नंबर कम्स दैट इज √2, √3, √5, √6 and so on, that is pi also. This number cannot represented on the natural number, है ना। जब ये फर्दर ये सब तो नंबर को हम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं इजिली, है ना। दिस नंबर इज नॉट रिप्रेजेंटेड ऑन द नंबर लाइन, सो दैट नंबर्स इज नोन एज इरेशनल नंबर विच इज नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p/q, है ना, which is not in the form of p/q. That's why we can say that irrational number is a set of number which are not having in the form of p/q, and that cannot be represented on this number line. That's why further it is represented on the number line with the help of spiral स्क्वायर मेथड, है ना। तो एक मेथड है जिससे वो रिप्रेजेंट किया जा सकता है, ठीक है ना। फर्दर वी कैन सी दैट कि ऑल दिस नंबर्स आर लाइंग बिटवीन टू रैशनल नंबर, all irrational number is represented, है ना, between two rational number. That's why this set of rational and irrational, the set of rational and irrational is known as real number, है ना। तो real number is a set of rational and irrational is known as real number. Okay. Further we have simple problems on the based of number system that is exercise 1 है ना. In exercise 1 there is an insertion of 3 rational number or 4 rational number, 6 rational number, 5 rational number, and we know the methods for the insertion of rational number between two rational number. So go through it and try to solve exercise that is 1A है ना. If you have any problem regarding to this topic, that is number system, then you can give me feedback or you can post or you can call me for the clarification. Okay, thank you class, have a nice day.